call the price to sales ratio, which is a fundamental indicator in Bitcoin. It's how many times bigger is the market cap versus what miners make over the course of a year. Peaks tend to be tops. This is a pretty good indicator. All right, so let's just look in here. We had the double top in 2013, April, November. 70x was the top. So a reminder, the number 70 times means the Bitcoin market cap at the time was 70 times greater than the trailing 12 months that the miners would make. Fees and new coins in dollar terms. Okay, so once we standardize it, we can get this ratio. Let's see how it called the bottom. Pretty good. Again, no one knows for sure that this would have been the bottom, although it was a pretty big dip here in January 2015. But that turned out to be the bottom. And again, no one knows for sure that this wasn't the top, or this wasn't the top, or this is the top. But in hindsight, we can clearly see that, when there's a major reversal, that proves to be the top. Trading is difficult. Right? I'm not a trader. I'm not a technical guy, but you can look at other indicators to find that, because of course here you could have thought that this was the top in summer 2017. The price was 2,800 here. The start of June, by the end of June, this was like Ether summer, by the way. This was ICO insanity. We fell $1,000. Obviously, if you had sort of sold here, you would have missed out on all these gains. But generally, I just want to show this because it's a real metric. It's a real idea. All right. In the financial markets, it's called the price to sales ratio. All right. That is the price divided by per share revenue, or market cap divided by total revenue. Bitcoin has revenue for miners, keep the network going. Question is, of course, do we have blow off top again by the end of the year, or do we just sort of trudge higher? I don't know, but we can start to measure some percentiles around this.